We go aboard Queensland. On the port side there is a very beautiful dining room which can easily accommodate 8 people around the table. Opposite there is an area designed for the saloon which can be equipped with a large TV screen, for example, a very comfortable saloon where you have many seats, a coffee table and some storage space. There is also the possibility for you to shut the blinds to hide the inside of the boat when it is needed. While we move forward after the 2 slopes on the port side, you will find the inside pilot house with all the navigation, control and pilot functions of the whole boat. On starboard, in the front, there is the galley, quite a pleasant space for people who enjoy cooking, with a view looking out to sea. But it is also very convenient as you have quite a user-friendly space which allows you to go from the saloon area to the cockpit. So the galley is a bit out of the way of the whole boat. Then we can go down the stairs to find the cabins in the hulls, as you usually find them in all our catamarans. In the cabins at the aft, you will find the beds perpendicular to the boat line, which is to say that from the bed you have a direct view looking out to sea with a usual blind for privacy in the cabin. Each cabin is equipped with a wide storage space and quite a spacious bathroom. In the front, the cabins have laid out in a different way. Indeed, the front cabins are more conventional since they are located in a slightly narrower area of the boat. So you have double bed with a width of 160 centimeters or 2 single beds according to one's choice. When you go ahead in the front, you find the crew's quarters, which can be equipped with washing machine and tumble dryer, and on the other side a bathroom especially designed for the crew. While you go up the stairs, which are very well protected and can be shut down by a trapdoor, you get to the fly. You are really impressed by the size of it, with a surface of 38 square meters, quite bigger than the size of the 80 square meters monohull. The Great Fly will have numerous functions. It can either be used as a lounge space for relaxation or as a dining room. Quite a huge open space on which you can lay out deck chairs if you want to. So the Fly on the Queensland 55 is an exceptional advantage. In the front of the boat you will find a very nice and comfortable sofa which can seat 3 to 4 people. You will note that it is 2 meters long, so if anyone wants to sleep in it in fine weather, it will be very cozy. Likewise on the sunbathing chair just behind it. It is not only a pleasantness space, since you find under the table the mooring part, the anchor of course, the water gain and the whole functions to moor the boat if you want to dock. So we have here a very useful function on the boat. We also have under the seat a very big case equipped with a jack of course, which allows to store the assistance anchoring, the bottle gas and significant volumes of storage.